Hey there! Today we're going to be making a gingerbread man cookie. We're going to be making these little guys. This was requested for a recipe for my 12 days of baked goods. As always, the ingredients and everything you're going to need will be in the description box down below. Now let's get started on this.
Start by combining your dry ingredients, so get your flour, add in your spices, add in your baking soda and your salt, and whisk that together. Once combined, put it aside, and then get another bowl with some butter and soften that up. Add in your brown sugar and combine well. Then add 1 egg to this and mix it well. Once incorporated well, add in your molasses into this and mix that. Don't forget to scrape your bowl with a spatula. Add in half of your dry ingredients and mix that well. Add in the other half and combine everything well. You can use your hand to combine all of this. Form a disc. Place it on some saran wrap, cover it up, and put it in the fridge for about 2 to 3 hours. Once it's chilled, divide it up and roll it out on a lightly floured surface. I have a gingerbread man cookie cutter, and I'm also going to be doing some poop cookies. Here's our gingerbread man. Once you're done punching them out, bake it at 350 degrees for about 10 minutes. And then with some black frosting and a number 2 tip, I ended up piping out some faces on these gingerbread men and using some candy eyes. With some white frosting and a number 3 tip, I ended up adding the squiggly lines. And then I added some buttons as well. Then I did the same, and this one is going to be the Gingerbread Man Cookie from the Shrek movie. We're going to be making Gingy as well. Make his white eyes. Add on those purple gumdrops. And then with some blue sprinkles, I added some eyebrows. You can always use the frosting for any of these or any other candy. And then with fondant, I rolled out his mouth, and there he is. And there's our gingerbread cookies.
And that's how you make these gingerbread cookies. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see pictures of these cookies and everything I've been making, I post on Tumblr, Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook, and all those links are down below. If you want to leave a suggestion for a future video, put it in the comments down below as well. And if you want to keep up to date with everything I make, hit the subscribe button as well. Until next time, stay sweet.